If you've lost access to your Google account, regaining ownership can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to recover your account efficiently. Step 1. Go to the Google Account Recovery page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email or phone number. Input the email address or phone number associated with your Google account. Make sure to use the correct information to ensure the recovery process can identify your account. Step 3. Follow the prompts. After entering your information, follow the on-screen prompts. Google will ask you questions to verify your identity, such as confirming a code sent to your recovery email or phone number. Step 4. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be given the option to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before to enhance your account's security. Step 5. Review account recovery options. After regaining access, review your account recovery options. Ensure your recovery email and phone number are up to date, and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. By following these steps, you can successfully regain ownership of your Google account. Remember to keep your recovery information current to prevent future access issues.